If you're a coach, chances are you are always looking for new ways to help bring in qualified leads, book discovery calls, and grow your email list. Now, there are tons of options out there, ranging from cold calls to Google ads, but I can tell you there is one lead generation strategy that blows all the other ones out of the water. I'm Torie Mathis, marketing agency CEO, digital marketing coach at the Smart Arsenal, and I too struggled through all of these crazy lead generation tactics. But I found that one is the best way for me and for my coach clients to get more leads, and that is to create a lead magnet. What is a coaching lead magnet? A lead magnet is a freebie that you offer your potential clients in exchange for their contact information. It's an essential tool for any coach who wants to build their client list, and there are a few reasons why it works so well. Why lead magnets work so well. First, a lead magnet provides an incentive for people to sign up for your email list. Many people are hesitant to give out their contact information, but if you offer them something of value in return, they are more likely to take the leap. Second, lead magnets help to build rapport with your audience. By providing them with helpful information, you'll establish yourself as an expert in your field and start building trust, which can lead to higher ticket services. And lastly, lead magnets are a great way to collect data about your target market. As people sign up for your freebie, you'll be able to gather information about their needs and their interests. This will allow you to fine-tune your marketing efforts and even attract more qualified leads. If you are looking for a way to get more leads, a lead magnet is definitely worth considering. What is the best kind of lead magnet? A lead magnet can be anything from a PDF guide to a free email course. The key is to offer something that your target audience will find valuable and that's relevant to your coaching business. For example, if you're a life coach, you might offer a freebie on self-care. If you're a business coach, you might offer a lead magnet on starting a business. The important thing is to make sure that your lead magnet is high quality and provides real value to your audience. If you do this, you'll be able to quickly build a list of interested potential clients who you can market your coaching program to. But what are the most effective lead magnets for coaches? I have 10 lead magnets that always work to generate coaching leads. Number 1, a free report or guide. A great lead magnet idea is to offer a free report or a guide that covers a specific topic related to your coaching program. This valuable information is a great way to show your experience and attract leads who are interested in what you have to say. The great thing about a free guide is that you probably have all this content created that you give your client currently, so you may not even have to make anything new. And you know your audience already gets value from it. If you don't have anything like this created yet, think of what problem your prospect wants solved and give them the first step. Something easy and actionable so that they can see that you can get them results. And the key is to make you the next step in their journey. This could be done at the end of the guide and through an automated email sequence following the download of the guide. Be sure to give those that sign up for the guide immediate access to the lead magnet PDF, and this can all be set up automatically in your email marketing software. Number 2, a cheat sheet, checklist, or resource list. Another free lead magnet idea is to offer a cheat sheet, a checklist, or a resource list related to your coaching program. This free checklist or free resource is a great way to show your expertise and to attract leads that are interested in what you have to offer. Now, just like the guide, you can use the content that you already have, or you can create a resource that you think you would give your client early in your time working with them. Make it something that will get them a quick win and save them time or money, or make something much easier to do. Number 3, a worksheet or workbook. A popular lead magnet idea is to offer a worksheet or a workbook related to your coaching program. This is a great way to help leads take action and see results from working with you. Be sure to check back in with your new prospects through email, and this can all be automated to see what questions they have. Give them more tips on how to get the most out of your worksheet or workbook, and ask if they want more help from here. You can also point them to more of your resources or give them a further taste of what it's like to work with you. So some tools that you can use to make any of these lead magnet ideas are Canva templates or Designer. And you can use Constant Contact, GetResponse, or Kartra to easily deliver your lead magnet. Number 4, a free mini course or training. A Other lead magnets for coaches are to offer a free course or some training. This can be an email course, a webinar, or even a physical workshop. Again, this is a great way to show your expertise and attract your ideal clients who are interested in learning more from you. The key with this one is to deliver amazing value, but not to overwhelm them. Most people are looking for coaches to save them time and to make things easier, not to overload them with even more information. So resist the urge to give them everything and keep your training short, sweet, and to the point. Think of a quick win. Remember to use follow-up and use this as an opening act for your longer relationship with your project. Now, some tools to create a mini course are Kajabi or Kartra, and you can use these both to create and deliver your course. Number 5, exclusive content. Offer exclusive content such as an ebook, a video series, or an audio series to the leads that sign up for your email list. This is a great way to give them something valuable and to keep them coming back for more. You can gather the best of your content and really give them a taste of what it's like to work with you. Just like with the training, try not to overwhelm them. You may want to consider dripping out the content rather than just dumping it all out at once. And some tools that you can use to create this are Canva to create it and Kartra or Kajabi to deliver. Number 6, a free consultation. You can offer a free consultation or free discovery call to leads that are interested in working with you. This can be a great way to show them what you can do with them and how you can help them before making the commitment to working with you. Discovery calls are also a great time to see if they are a fit for your services and to see if you want to work with them. Think of it as a two-way interview. Be cautious of freeloaders just looking to pick your brain or waste your time. Choose a time frame that will not overwhelm your schedule with consultations, but still gives you time to get a feel for each other. Tools to use are Calendly or Kartra for scheduling. Number 7, a contest or giveaway. You could host a contest or a giveaway related to your coaching business. Now, this is a great way to generate interest and attract leads that are interested in what you have to offer. However, you have to make sure that the giveaway is 100% related to your services. Now, this means absolutely no iPad giveaway, no Amazon gift card giveaway. It has to be something that opens the door to work with you, and it needs to be desirable only to your target market. Otherwise, you may end up with a list of people who have absolutely no interest in you, your services, or even working with you. Tools for you to create your giveaway are Gleam.io or Rafflecopter. Number 8, a Q&A session. You can host a Q&A session related to your coaching business. This is a great way to show your expertise and attract leads who are interested in exactly what you have to offer. This is one that could be done on a live, but you would miss the email capture. So you must frame it as an exclusive feature for email subscribers only to work as an effective lead magnet. Some tools that you could use are Zoom or Kartra, or you could even use a private Facebook group. But remember, you want to get that email that'll allow them to get into your Q&A. Where to get lead magnet ideas for coaches. If you aren't sure what content to use for your lead magnet ideas or what you should include in your lead magnet, there are a lot of places for you to go to get ideas. The best approach is for you to offer your audience something that they will find valuable and that's relative to their interests. Here are a few places that you can find content ideas for your lead magnet. The first place to find freebie ideas is in your current content. Scan through your blogs, your ebooks, guides, client material, and any speaking or training that you've done. You probably have a lot more content than you think you do. And even if you don't find the perfect item, you can combine items or get inspired for that new freebie. Next, check out other similar blogs in your niche. See what kinds of freebies they're offering to their readers and look for ways that you can improve upon these ideas. Now, do not go and copy their freebies, but definitely get inspired and be sure that your lead magnet is different and better. Next, you can ask your readers what they would like to see. Use surveys and polls for crowdsourcing ideas for your lead magnet. This is a great way to ensure that you are creating something that will be of value to your audience. Next, look for gaps in the market. Is there something that your competitors are not offering? Consider filling this need with your lead magnet. You can also brainstorm your team. If you're struggling to come up with more ideas on your own, reach out to your team members or your colleagues for help. By bouncing ideas off of others, you are more likely to come up with a winner. I want to hit a little bit about how the lead magnet process works. Once you come up with your lead magnet ideas, don't think that it has to be complicated. And once you've created your lead magnet, you need a way way to get the content to your prospective clients. By using an email service provider, create a sign-up form that you add to your website, or even better, to a landing page where subscribers sign up. Don't think that you have to build a landing page from scratch. You can use marketing templates and get a professional, high-converting design template in no time. Your email service provider should have pre-built templates, email sequences, funnels, and forms. We like to use Kartra because it has all of these and more. Now, once someone signs up, your email platform immediately sends the subscriber access to your freebie. They are also added to your email list. Then you can continue to email them, create rapport, and lead them down the customer journey to purchase. This system is the key to selling high-ticket services, and all of this can be automated in your email software. You can promote your email opt-in offer on social media, your blog, your Facebook group, your email signature through Facebook Lives, content marketing, paid ads, interviews, guest posts, to your website visitors, and really anywhere else your ideal clients go. The secret to an effective lead magnet idea. Remember that the key to making all of these lead magnet ideas work is for you to deliver something of value to your target audience that leads them to work with you, and you must follow up with them. Lead magnets are just the first step in your sales funnel and your email marketing strategy. So don't miss the opportunity to turn your leads into paying clients. Why lead magnets work as an effective list building tool. Lead magnets are a great way to attract qualified leads and grow your email list on autopilot. By offering something of perceived value, you show your expertise, you build trust with your leads even before they commit to working with you. So if you are looking for new lead magnet ideas, be sure to try out one of these coaching freebie ideas. If you have any questions, please let me know. And remember, you do not need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart, and lead magnets are the smart choice for your coaching business.